In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive. Now guys, ensure that you watch to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now go to Google Chrome and search for Google Drive in the search engine. Then it will bring you on this page. Now click that first link that will sign you into your Google Drive. Now you will be able to see your uploaded files, and if you want to upload another file, just click on new, then click on file upload. Then you can go to the location where your file is and then select the file that you want to upload. If you want to upload multiple files, just hold on Control and click on those files, then click open. Then as you can see on the bottom right corner, the files are being uploaded. Now if you see those green ticks, know that the files are uploaded correctly. Once all your files are uploaded, you can just cancel, close this one, and you will see your file just right here. And if you want to upload folder, just click on folder upload and choose the folder that you want to upload and then click open. Now choose the folder that you want to upload, then click upload. Then click upload. Then as you can see on the bottom right corner, the folder is being uploaded. And once you see the green, click